Oh, hello, today let's go magnet fishing together. It's also called magnetic fishing, and it is searching in outdoor waters for ferromagnetic objects available to pull with a strong neodymium magnet. The hobby is a combination of environmentalism and treasure hunting too. The magnets used are strong enough to remove large debris, such as discarded bicycles, guns, safes, bombs, and grenades, coins, and car tires rims for the bodies of the water. But many who engage in the hobby are hoping to find rare and valuable items as well, like legendaries. Magnetic fishing is typically done with gloves. A strong neodymium magnet secured to a durable rope between 15 and 30 meters, these are 50 up to 100 feet, and sometimes a grappling hook as a supplement to the magnet. Some environmentalists worry that removing objects can stir up sediment that contains toxic materials or disturb archaeological sites. Some magnet fishers have retrieved dangerous objects, including loaded guns, unexploded ordnances, and sharp pieces of metal. Neodymium magnets are powerful and can interfere with pacemakers, posing a health risk. They can also damage other electronic devices. Fingers can get crushed between the magnet and a piece of metal, potentially causing serious bodily harm. Tetanus can also be a risk for those without an up-to-date tetanus vaccine, of course. 2 men are known to have drowned while magnetic fishing, but the cause is uncertain, and the post-mortem toxicology test showed both had recently used cannabis, of course. So, let's go out and have a fish time. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.